Hi, I'm Kathy Elliott, an independent Norwex sales consultant, and I want to talk to you about a new product that Norwex has come out with recently, and this is our cleansing powder. Now, if you are a Norwexer and you've been using your Norwex body cloth only, congratulations, that's awesome. Not using soap or minimal amount of soap to cleanse your body with. That's awesome. So, but this is to help with if you're a makeup user, you may find that you need a little bit deeper cleansing every so often, maybe even up to 2 or 3 times a week. And then those of us who choose not to wear makeup, maybe you only want to do it once a week or even once a month, or it has to do with you've had a really heavy workout or you've been outside, maybe camping and the smoke and all of that getting into your pores. So just choose. It's not a daily item is what I'm trying to tell you. So I'm gonna try to show you here how much. I just slid this little top open so it clips there, and how it's shut, and now it's opened. So out of this little hole, so I'm just gonna show you here, try to give you a little idea. Okay, and now this container is refillable, and so you can purchase the refills, and then you will follow the directions inside the box on how to refill your container, because this lid actually twists off, and inside is the powder. But having the small hole allows you to make sure that you don't get too much. Okay, so maybe I could use a little bit more. Oops, I guess I had, there we go, just a smidgen more I added. All right, so we want our hands to be wet, so I'm going to wet my fingertips here and just get a little bit of water into the palm of my hand. So I don't know if you can see. Okay, and then now I'm going to wet my other hand. So just a stream of water. Now I have my hands wet, and I'm going to rub together, and I'm going to get some sudsing going. And now I'm going to wash my face. And we always want to remember that we go up and we slide down. So I'm not rubbing up and down, because we want to go against gravity. We don't want to help gravity. So, and I do have lots in my palm here, so I'm going to go across my forehead. And I maybe do this once a month personally. Maybe in the summer when I'm out gardening, out in the sun more, maybe I'll do it more often, sweating, biking, doing those kinds of things. All right, now I'm just going to put the water on, and I'm going to splash my face. So you probably hear the water running. I'm just going to splash 3 times. Just really try to get that rinsed off. And then I have my body cloth here in the sink. I just got a little bit of water there. So I'm going to take my body cloth. Now, if you have any of the facial pads that we have out, you could definitely use that, and use that to help wipe off and dry your face. You just want to be very gentle with your skin. Remember to go up. We don't want to pull down. All right, so that is that. Simple, easy peasy. You will follow this with your moisturizer. First the serum, eye cream. So serum, eye cream, and then the moisturizer to give yourself a beautiful start to your day. And this product is amazing because it's not just for women, it is for men as well, and even teenagers, and remember, teenagers, you need to start out learning how to take care of their beautiful skin also. It is our largest organ, so let's treat our skin well and take care of ourselves, and start out using the cleanser powder.